Hi there. Welcome to another episode of Evidence-Based Medicine. Today we will discuss evidence of diagnostic tests or diagnostic accuracy studies, as well as screening, of course. Let me remind you about our previous session with some questions, MCQs. First question, many scientific journals require to have keywords in articles conforming to which standard? Another formulation could be which standards, which of the following is used to write keywords, to select keywords for scientific articles. Okay. You know probably the right question. If not, please refer to our previous session. The next question, journal impact factors are available in PubMed. PubMed we use frequently for searching scientific evidence, and is in PubMed, when you find a journal, is there the impact factor included or not? That's the question, actually. The next question is, how many of the following are effect size indices? We discussed last time effect size, and there were different kinds of effect size indicators. And here are some. Are they all effect size indices or not? That's the question. The next one, if the confidence interval for an odds ratio includes 1, the p-value is lower than the significance threshold. What was the significant threshold? It was less than 0.05. So, is this true or false? Confidence interval for an odds ratio, including 1. There was a rule about that in our previous session. Then last time we also discussed the journal impact factor, how it was calculated. And here is an example to calculate the journal impact factor. 1,000 articles of a scientific journal published within these 2 years were cited in 2000 and the year thereafter. And the total number of articles published during this time interval were 2,000. So 2,000 publications, 1,000 citations. What is the impact factor? And another question, the last one probably, was about this intention to treat as treated or per protocol. Namely, important was for us in the intention to treat approach in analyzing research, and you should be able to differentiate how the intention to treat is applied. Here are examples for the different types of analysis: as treated, per protocol, or intention to treat. So let us come to today's objectives. Today it's going to be about the diagnostic papers, diagnostic research articles. And at the end of this session, you are expected to be able to discuss diagnostic test characteristics, namely the sensitivity, specificity, positive and negative predictive value, as well as positive and negative likelihood ratios. Then discuss the pre and post-test probabilities and how to use what is the purpose of Pagan's nomogram. This as another objective is the QUADAS instrument, QUADAS tool to appraise the quality or bias of diagnostic test accuracy studies. And lastly, I will mention about the ROC analysis and what is the purpose of ROC analysis and briefly how it is interpreted. Stop recording.